3, 2, 1, go!
At the zoo? At the zoo. Tanajisu.
Narabi kudasai. 2つに分かれてくださいね。If there's one monkey.
One's bigger. Look. This one's bigger.
Wala nga sila dito. Ay, baka nagtatago sila dun kanina sa labas. That's the foot. This is the hand. This is the hand. This is the hand, oh. No, the other hand. Your other hand. Coral Parque de los Pingüinos. Entrada. Seryoso, penguin dito? Bakit ang init naman dito? Akala ko aircon sa penguin. Si Kuy Kuy, ano nakikisa-estudyante ka rin sa mga... Alam ko naman malamig sa penguin.
My penguin.
Ayun o. Balansa talaga dito. Iba na mga kaklase ni Kuy Kuy. Hindi ako mapasok. Nandito na pala. There. Wow! Ayan o. Wow! Ikot lang sila. It's a walrus?
Ito daw muna sila emergency.
Bakit?
Ewan.
Tumalon.
Tumalon?
Yan ang lumang mo.
Oh. It's playing and swimming.
It's going down in the water.
Vanilla ice cream. I want cookie and cream, flavorful green tea, chocolate, vanilla.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Okay,
Go get it. Go. Share with Kuy.
Akin kaya yan. Bakit mo ko inagawan? Bawal sa'yo ice cream eh. Akin yan eh. Akin yan. Akin yan. Akin to. Akin po ito. Yan na, nalaglag na. Sana? Akin na, open ko.
You kiss me.
Thank you po.
Here.
Thank you, Dada.
Say thank you, Dada.
Sun bear.
Oh, Robo Bear.
Malayan sa...
Dito ka to, sige. Picture natin. Dito kayo.
Ayun, nagtago na.
Ayun! Up there!
It's up there. Kulang ang biscuit mo.
Oh, duck! There's a duck!
There are ducks.
Yeah!
Look at the ducks. They're in the branches. The tree branches.
Ow!
Wow. Whoa. Oh, hamster. Huwag niyo daw gulatin. Natatakot sila. Ikaw na What's inside? Oh, it's like a play area, but what animal is inside? I don't know. Hello po. Look, the other one's walking. It's calling. It's eating.
Yeah!
It's eating.
Yeah!
Ba. It says ba. It's a sheep. It says ba. Where's the bat cave? Oh, careful! Kanina pa siya namimilit pumunta dyan sa bat cave na yan. Hindi siya mapakali. Okay. We're going inside. Nocturnal animal house. Oh my gosh, it's so scary. Let's go. Dilim mo. Kailangan natin ng kasama. Ay, maliwanag sa cellphone. Sana all.
Tayo to, tayo. Silipin mo. Ay, may bat.
Daga, ang lilit ng daga. It's a hedgehog nga. It's a hedgehog. It's a musang. Musang. Punta tayo sa... May flamingo pala dito. World of Birds na naman. Ang cute ng banyo dito ng bata. Looky, looky. Ta-da-da! Para lang sila naglalaro. Wow! Ang cute. Where's Kuy Kuy? What did you do? May I see your toilet? Wow, you have a very nice toilet. Oh. Punas yan, punas, punas. Punas. Oh, the tissue. Tissue paper. Oh, dali. Punas. Lampas, lampas. Here to here. Okay, flush it. Ay, bitawan mo na. Oh, wash your hands. Oh, very good. Finish. Wow! Okay ba? Clean hands. The left and... Paano nang ginawa mo sa salamin?
Yeah.
Yun lang. Sinabon mo yung salamin. Gusto mo mag-cleaner dito?
Mahal, may manok ko.
May manok? Pikak yan, mga siraulo. Turkey. Pheasant pala, pheasant. Di ba pheasant tsaka pikak parehas lang? I don't know. Siberian crane. Oh my gosh, ang laki oh. Parang flamingo. Crane. A flamingo. It's another crane. It's another kind of crane. Very nice. See, flamingos. Naka-on pala yun. Hindi yun kabayo. Crane yun. Oh, ayaw siyang samahan. Nagwala. Walang friend. Walang friend. Picture na, dali, picture. Sakay kayo doon, Hailey. Uy! The real one's there. It's swimming. Whoa, there. Are you doing? Africa. Fish. There are fishes. Oh, daming fish. Look, look. Look at that.
May bumabasok na isda sa ilong.
Hindi niya makita yung fish. Pakita mo sa kanya. Ano, daming fish eh. Here, anak. You can see it from here. Black rhinoceros. There's the rhino.
I want to get that in my home.
Hindi naman payat. Tama, mamasal naman siya. Yung ano lang.
Except.
Kasi niyo wala ng tao dito.
Yeah.
Putol na yung... The rhino. That's rhino bone. Rhino skull. Okay. Here. From here. Akyat. Akyat ikaw.
I can.
O, picture mo na. A zebra here. Dada, there's a zebra. Man, it says giraffe. Kala mo nakaharap eh. Pero nakatalikod.
Pupo, asya pupo. Pupo. Pupo.
Hindi pala. Closer pala here. Go! Wow, very good ah. Go, 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 go. Ang dali. What it's gonna do? It's gonna eat you. Look. Is that a fox? Wow. It's a fox. It's a wolf. It's not a fox. It's a wolf. That's a wolf too.
That's a wolf.
That's a wolf, but that one's a wolf too. Sobrang nakakapagod. Enjoy sila. Ano mga kita nila daw? Anong meron dyan? Kaya naman, iloko nyo lang ako eh. Sakit na lang pa ako. Kakalakad sa zoo. Meron nag-enjoy mga bata. Super happy nila. Nakahatak pa nga. Aray ko. You see something? You see what? Where? Oh! It's hiding! Here's the fox. That's the fox, not the first one. No fox. Sige. Pag kayo nagtambilong-tambilong dyan sa mga bakod-bakod na yan. Ka. Go. I'll go trip pag nag-video.
Give me it. I need a picture. I'm a picture. Okay. Video. How's Richard the video? I got a camera. Where are you? Where are you? I got a camera. Hey, that's my camera. Oh. Picture. 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 Oh yeah, picture. Beep, 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 beep. Picture.
Yan. Yan. The crocodile. Whoa, look. 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 Hello. Pagdating ka niyan. Sama makatingin, oh. Sama makatingin, yun. No. Sama makatitig, ah. Bayawa.
Let me up. Let me up.
Okay.
Hit me up, Dad.
Oh, that's so heavy.
What?
Tortoise.
Oh.
It's walking. Anak ko, they're walking. Huh? They're walking or crawling. Walking. What's this? Skink? Looks weird. This is snake. Ooh, pinaglunuhan. It's a snake skin. Where's the snake? The snake's here. Oh, it's a very long one. Oh, there's the head.
Look at it. It's so big.
That's a python. Oh. Wow.
What's that?
It's swimming.
Turtle. Turtle.
It's a snake neck turtle. It's looking at you. There's another turtle here.
Oh my God, it's a turtle.
Spotted pond turtle.
I want to touch it. I want to touch it. Hey, I want to touch it. Oh, it's a million.
What's that? Is it a chameleon? It's an iguana. It's an iguana, anak. Oh, that's the chameleon.
Colors.
It changes color. Oh, there's more. Oh.
What's on that?
What's that? It looks really big and scary. Ano yan? Is it? Look, oh.
No, but look on there. Look there.
What's that?
What are you doing?
It's like a dino turtle.
What?
Alligator snapping turtle.
That's coming to alligator too.
Alligator snapping turtle.
Too.
Eat ka na ng eggs. So, eat ka na, eat.
I can buy it.
You can't? Ay, kawawa naman. No. Here,